Welcome back. With me here is the new Fifine K690 USB Condenser microphone. The retail price is $95 US, but here in Malaysia, I'm able to get mine for 359 ringgit from Live Music Center, link in the description below. Looking at the box, it feels really well packaged and premium. It even gives you that slow delay when opening up the box. It reminds me of the Apple unboxing experience. In the box, we first greeted with the user guide that is very well made with proper information about the mic. Then you can see the whole mic is under a protection of a soft foam. Opening it up, you will see all the items. Here we have, inside the small white box is the 2 meter long USB-A to mini USB cable. And here is the mount adapter for the microphone. Then finally, the microphone itself, which is already mounted on the desk stand. Lifting up the microphone from the box, immediately I can feel the quality of the build and the premium feel about it. All thanks to the all-round metal body of this mic. The weight in my hand feels just right, giving it that sturdy and tough feels. Overall, I'm impressed. First, at the front, here we have the LED indicator. Okay, when you first connect your mic to the computer, it will be in green color to show that the mic is powered on. And if it's turned to orange, means that it is muted. So under this LED indicator is a quick mute button. So it's very convenient if you want to have a quick mute. Just a simple press will do the trick. Below the mute button is the monitoring volume control for real-time sound monitoring picked up by the mic. And this is a low to no latency sound monitoring. Here at the back, we have the input gain control, so you may directly adjust the mic sensitivity right from the mic itself. And just below it is the polar pattern selector, which conveniently comes in 4 selections. Firstly is the bidirectional. Pickup is done from the front and the back. The omnidirectional pickup is from the surrounding. Cardioid pickup just from the front part. And finally the stereo. The pickup will be from the left and the right side of the microphone. So here at the bottom, we have the mini USB port, the headphone jack, and in the center is for you to mount the mic with the adapter if you like to use it with any boom stand. Looking at the mic once again, it is definitely resemble the Blue Yeti microphone, but with a much simplistic microphone stand, which I like. The black matte finish is very nice, and the one I like the most is that Fifine doesn't put any unnecessary accent to it, like a chrome grill or glossy finish, or having some red line or flashy text somewhere. What they have done with this mic for me is just perfect. Looks and feels premium, yet keeping the professional look with low profile matte finish. Stereo mode, quick sound check. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is bidirectional, should be from the front and the back. This is the front, the side, this is the side. This is the back, testing 1, testing 2. Front, testing 1, testing 2. Back to cardioid, so should be picking up from the front only. 1 2 3. From the side, 1 2 3. Side 1, 2, 3. From the back, this is the back of the mic. 1, 2, 3. This is me talking while I'm typing in the keyboard. Cardioid, still cardioid testing. This is whistling. Test with the guitar. Guitar is slightly lower. This, I'm about to press the mute button. Unmute. Hello, hello, hello. 1, 2, 3. So what do I think about this mic? The mic setup on the stand provides the perfect height when you place it on your desk, because the mic itself points to the level of your mouth rather than your chest. And apart from that, what I like about this mic as well is as a USB microphone, it provides a portability and a quick setup without sacrificing the sound quality. So those that are on the move, so you don't have to worry that you need to bring extra modules to get your sound setup to work. Overall, I'm impressed with the sound pickup and reproduction. I've used it for a few weeks now. Even for my video conferencing, it is very impressively good. Overall, the raw sound produces good low, that it is pronounced but not too deep, and the high is good enough that it doesn't scream in your ears. I would say this mic is a balanced all-rounders. If you do a podcast or voiceover, the voice is not too boomy or muffled. It's bright enough but not forgetting the low end as well. Those with thin voice, you will be surprised that the sound produced will be warmer, richer, and have more body in it, so the clarity will be improved. If initially you are getting this mic just for a video conferencing or voiceover, you will be surprised of how much this mic able to offer you to extend its usability. With this price point, looking at the sound quality, the features that you get, it is definitely unbeatable. So for me, this is definitely the best or one of the best USB condenser mic under the price range of $100. Till then, hope you enjoy this video. Take care.